No, Mummy was talking about the R sound. Should we see if we can find the letter R in our list? Tell me when to stop when we find the letter R. Can you see it? I think it's at the top. It is. That's it. So now we can do R at the beginning or R in the middle or the end of words. So should we do R at the beginning? Okay, which game should we play this time? We have to do the pairs game. Okay, let's try the pairs game.
Find two pictures that match. Say the words that you hear. Rat.
Rat.
Reach.
Reach.
Good sounds, well done.
Rock.
Rock.
Room.
Room.
Lovely R's.
Reach.
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 Well remembered.
Rock.
Rock.
Red.
Red.
Room.
Room.
Red.
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 Super, well done.
Rock.
Rock.
Roof.
Roof.
Row.
Row.
Rat.
Rat.
Roll.
Roll.
Good.
Room.
Room.
Ah,
Room.
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 well remembered. Room, room.
Roof.
Roof.
Roll.
Roll.
Should we choose a different one?
Rock.
Rock.
Rat.
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 Well done.
Rat.
Rat.
2 rats. Well done, you. Now, do you think Mummy needs to have a go at this game as well? Yeah? Should we get Mummy to sit here? Okay. Are you all right on the nearly down chair? But I'm not as good as you, Ayla. Okay. Will we try?
Roof.
Roof.
Rock.
Rock. Return.
Rare.
Rare.
Ray.
Ray.
It's pretty, that one.
Row.
Row.
Rock.
Rock.
Ray.
Ray.
Roll.
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 Very good. Remember.
Ray.
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 2. 2 in a row.
Roof.
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 Rare.
Rare.
Row.
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 Rock.
Rock.
Rare.
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 Rock.
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 Well done.
Rare.
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 Well done, you.